Out to Luneda. Luneda for 2. Basket. First 2 points of the game. Vega. There's a foul. Basket counts. Vega completed the 3-point play. Jade Anonas above, favorite shot. Jade, basket. Jade Anonas 0-4. First 2 points of the game. Yan ito, Hugos. Basket for 2. Lopo for 3. Bang! 3 points for Kenny Lopo. Dimicino, nice pass to Vega. Vega for 2. What a play. Hugos to Bulanon. Basket. 2 points for Bulanon. 11-7 in favor of Red. Meanwhile, here's Vega. All the way to the cup for 2 points. Pass to Dingkong. Dingkong fakes. Dingkong shoots. Dingkong scores for 2. Dingkong sidestep. Basket. Nice play in 11 in favor of Red. Here's Vega. Vega again very aggressive in the first quarter. Vega again. Grabe si Vega. Dominating down low. Dingkong putting a move. Basket for number 28. Shout out to LBJ of Silay. Basket counts plus the foul. Dingkong. Timeout on the floor. Dingkong completed the 3-point play. Anonas, jump shot. Basket. Couldn't finish, but there's a foul. Basket counts for Marvin Vega. Rebound Bulanon. Bulanon foul. Basket counts for number 24, Bulanon. Completed a 3-point play. Kenny Lopo all the way. Basket for Kenny Lopo. So Villarias open for 3. Basket. 3-pointer for Cedric Villarias. Attempt, no good. Rebound Palses. Palses. Gakuot si Palses. 2 points for Argent Palses. Tokindo to Villarias. Back-to-back 3 from Cedric Villarias. Quebradero. Foul. Basket counts. Buang. Nice move. Buang. Step back. Basket for number 69. Kipakitaan again si Coach Iloy. What a move by number 69. Out to Bangkaya. Bangkaya. Basket for 2. Stolen by Cedric Villarias. Villarias up and running. Villarias shoots, scores. Cedric Villarias for 2. Oquendo to Villarias. Villarias open for 3. Bang! Cedric Villarias with back-to-back scores. Timeout on the floor. Bangkaya for 3. Basket for number 7. Bangkaya. Handungan for 3. Basket! Handungan with the first triple of the game. Ora all the way. Basket! Basket! Pass to Kier. Basket for 2. Reyes strip. Good defense by Buang. Buang. The free throw. Ringles Bagatillo Gambula. Reyes. Basket for Angelo Tres Reyes. Bangkaya fakes. Bangkaya scores for 2 points. Buang for 3. Basket for number 69. 3-pointer. That's his answer. Rebound Palses. Good rebound by Palses for 2 points. Tres Reyes all alone. Basket for 2. Fast-paced game. Rebound Quebradero. Basket for Kier. Villarias dancing. Villarias to Borja. Borja for 2. Basket at last. 2 points for Borja. Pass to Anonas. Anonas shoots. Basket for 3. Number 04 with a corner triple. Dingkong wide open. Bang! Number 38 for 3 points. D crossover. Goes to the basket. Foul. Basket counts. Buang. Nice make. Buang all the way. Basket! What a play by number 69. The rebound goes to Mostre. Mostre for 2. Ransdale for 2 points. Ransdale for 2. First points of the game Aya, Mostre, all the way, basket for Mostre. Joji Boy for 2. Pass to Vega. Vega all the way to the basket for 2 points. What a play and what a pass by number 69. Up and running, pass to Anonas. Anonas all the way to the rack for 2 points. There's a timeout on the floor. Hugos for 2. Nice pass! Nice pass! Mostre for 2 coming from Vega. Hugos basket. 2 out of 2 for Hugos this third quarter. Third basket for 2. Hugos to the basket for 2. 6 points in the third quarter for Hugos. As jump shot. Hugos basket. 4 out of 4 for Hugos in the third quarter. Tres Reyes all the way. Basket for 2. Angelo Tres Reyes. Buang fakes. Pass to Aspa. Aspa for 3. Bang! 3-pointer. What a shot coming from Aspa with a pass coming from Buang. Break to Tres Reyes. Tres Reyes. Basket for 2. To Hugos. Hugos. 5 out of 5. Mostre. Mostre. Nice pass to Vega. Vega for 2 coming from Mostre. Hugos. Basket for Hugos. Hugos is on fire. 6 out of 6. Villarias off the glass. Basket. Mostre for 2 points. Hugos. Hugos jump shot. 7 out of 7 for Hugos. Up and running. Tres Reyes to Dingkong. Dingkong for 2. Villarias. Basket for 2. Along LBJ. Overshoots. Quebradero put back for 2. Tres Reyes spin move. Nice pass to Quebradero. Basket. What a play. Aspa. Foul. Basket. Lupo. Lupo. Jump shot. Basket. Anonas all the way to the cup. Basket for 2. Anonas for 3. Bang. 3 points for Jade Anonas. Sastrado all the way to the cup for 2. Nice game. Final score 96-88.